तो अब हम जा रहे हैं 26 जनवरी का प्रोग्राम देखने जो टाउनशिप में है और इस बार बहुत ग्रैंड वे में बनाया जा रहा है। तो चलिए आप भी हमारे साथ मज़े लीजिए।
आसमान से जमीन पर ले आइए, अब अपनी सांसें थाम लीजिए। रिलायंस ग्रीन्स के इस पावन धरती पर 77वें गणतंत्र दिवस का आगाज होने जा रहा है, एक ऐसी गूंज के साथ जो आपके दिलों की धड़कन बढ़ा देगी। सबकी मिसाल पेश करते हैं आज की परेड की सबसे पहली टुकड़ी, हमारा गौरव, हमारा अभिमान। जोरदार करतल ध्वनि से स्वागत कीजिए द ट्रैफिक पायलट।
Symbolizes agility, strength and readiness. With 360-degree visibility and a reinforced armored shell, it embodies our zero-compromise approach to security, spearheading every patrol with complete situational awareness.
इसके ठीक बाद आता है रक्षक, जो उच्च दबाव वाले युद्ध क्षेत्रों का चुस्त दुरुस्त और भरोसेमंद वाहन है। चाहे दंगा नियंत्रण की जटिलताओं से निपटना हो या गहन टोली अभियान चलाना हो, रक्षक हमारी अटूट सुरक्षा घेरा का निर्माता है।
Now, behold, the titan of the fleet. Advancing next is the mighty Casper APC, the undisputed iron shield of a security fleet. This mine-resistant protection, engineered to withstand the harshest threats, represents the heavy-duty resilience required to protect our most vital assets during all the odds. The mighty Casper APC.
देखिए, धूप में चमकता हुआ अग्निशमन तकनीक।
And next in line is a hazmat tender, a guardian against invisible dangers and a silent sentinel of safety. Purpose-built to respond to hazardous material incidents, the special unit is equipped with cutting-edge detection systems, decontamination showers, and protective gear storage. Bringing up the rear with a thunderous purpose are our security quick reaction teams. Here we witness the perfect synergy of mechanical prowess and human valor. These elite QRTs are truly the tip of the spear. They are the masters of the 120-second response. They are the heralds of swift justice and immediate protection. Through the searing heat of the midday sun and the chilling silence of the midnight watch, this formidable fleet remains in perpetual motion, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Today we salute these guardians of our industry. We honor their unwavering discipline and their sacred dedication to duty. They do not merely patrol, they protect. They do not merely exist, they endure, living every breath by their eternal creed. Anything, anytime, anywhere.
Now presenting the Animal Quick Response and Rescue capability, an integral component of Reliance Safety and Security Framework. This elite formation comprises highly trained personnel from ex-Indian Army, Special Forces background, bringing exceptional discipline, crisis response, capability, terrain expertise, and precise mission execution. The team is trained specially to respond swiftly to animal emergencies. Each operation follows a clearly defined protocol. Supporting these teams is a specialized fleet of rescue, medical, and logistic vehicles deployed as a part of security preparedness. The fleet includes dedicated nutrition support vehicles, ensuring sustained operations during extended deployments and animal transaction. Following this is the work reflects a commitment. Following this is mobile lab on wheels, enabling real-time diagnostics and on-site medical assessment to support timely decisions during the operations. These fleets are designed to ensure continuity of animal care. Mobile animal ambulances ensure rapid stabilization and safe, controlled animal transport during security incidents, disaster response. Vehicle interiors and way out are planned to minimize stress and prevent secondary injuries and allow continuous diagnostics, reduce time, enabling early intervention and improving efficiency. Specialized vehicles, specialized elephant response ambulances customized for large animal management, features sanitized interiors, soft cushioning, temperature control, safe long distance movement. Crane mounted platform provide heavy recovery capability, supporting the immobilized large animals during high risk operations. Every vehicle in the convoy is video communication. All movements are coordinated through the Reliance Integrated Operations Center, ensuring real-time situational awareness.
What you will now be witnessing is the foundation of all canine security operations. And here they come, our four-legged furry friends. Through coordinated movements such as up, heel, sit, stand, salute, and down, these dogs demonstrate absolute discipline, focus, and responsiveness. This level of obedience ensures controlled movement, operational safety, and complete reliability in dynamic security environments. We now shift to explosives and narcotics detection, a critical element to proactive threat prevention. In one of those suitcases, there is something that might pose a threat, something hazardous. And here comes Saiga on duty, alert and focused and intensely driven. A strength lying in an extraordinary sense of smell, capable of isolating minute sense traces, even when substances are concealed within the body. Notice her movement, purposeful and methodical. She's confident and highly intelligent. Beyond detection, Saiga remains assault ready, able to transition instantly from search mode to active response if required. And now we present a demonstration of controlled handler protection. The handler, Akhilesh Singh, is confronted by a simulated threat. And Pepper responds with immediate clarity of purpose. She positions herself firmly between the handler and the threat, establishing a protective barrier while maintaining a complete situational awareness. Observe her posture. And in a minute, she turns aggressive, fully responsive to the handler's commands, adjusting his response with precision and discipline. No unnecessary escalation, only controlled presence and professional execution. And this reflects advanced training standards, operational reliability, and the deep foundation of trust between the dog and the handler. And towards your left is a Reliance Combat Canine Unit, the RCCU, a critical pillar of Reliance security architecture. The RCCU comprises of 368 operational canines trained in explosive detection, narcotics detection, tracking, patrol duty, assault response, and the complex obstacle navigation. At the forefront is a combat canine responders for assault and battle, the CRAB team, led by Team Commander Mr. Anil Kumar Yadav, 8 operatives marching alongside Belgian Shepherd Malimbas and Dutch Shepherd dogs, providing mobility, static close protection, perimeter security, and rapid response during high-risk operations.
Marching with the unit are India's indigenous dog breeds integrated within Reliance Canine security ecosystem. Naturally intelligent and climate adaptive, these breeds enhance acknowledge the magnificent ensemble. With warm round of applause, we welcome the bagpipers.
Can we encourage this parade by waving our tricolors as they pass by?
We represent the horse of RIL, majestic symbol of strength and grace, shaped by disciplined training, purpose and operational readiness. Their movement is calm yet assured, hand-led with composure that reflects patience, discipline and refined training. Here are our proud Indian horses, the Marwari, led by Mr. Meg Singh, and the stallions trained by Captain Kuldeep Singh. The Marwari are recognized for the distinctive inward curved ears. It is also known for the arched back, deep chest, strong limbs and sure-footed stride. Bred on Indian soil, these horses carry more than lineage. They carry memory, resilience and a quiet intelligence forged through generation of service. Following this contingent are the non-native breed stallions engaged in security roles led by Mr. Mahendra Singh, trained by Risaldar Major Ashok Singh, ex-61st Cavalry. Each step reflects a partnership built on trust, discipline and mutual understanding, where the handler and horse move as a single coordinated unit, responsive, composed and operationally aligned. Coming next is patrolling on indigenous horses, led by Captain Vijendra Singh, mounted on the horse Azad. Perfectly adapted to various landscapes from arid plains to rugged ground, these horses have supported patrol, mobility and sustained presence across history. They offer height, visibility and endurance, enabling controlled movement and calm authority in operational environment. That was Azad, led by Captain Vijendra Singh.
परेड पथ पर सधे कदमों से चलते ये अश्व अनुशासन, साहस और गति का प्रतीक है। इनकी सवारी और तालमेल हमारे सैन्य परंपराओं की शानदार झलक प्रस्तुत करते हैं।
Unit. This non-native horse breed patrolling contingent, led by Risaldar Major Hakim Khan, ex-61st Cavalry, mounted on the horse Black Pearl, demonstrating strength, balance and disciplined movement in security patrol duty. So right now in front of the stage is Major Hakim Khan on Black Pearl. Their imposing stature and steady temperament reinforce vigilance, deterrence and rapid coordination during patrol duties. Chosen for their physical strength and balanced temperament, these horses are suited for extended deployment without fatigue. Their movement allowing security teams to maintain fluid coverage and control the spacing during coordinated operations. Regular conditioning and welfare-focused care ensure consistent performance and reliability over time. Together, they strengthen the mounted capability by adding flexibility, stability, and depth to the overall security framework.
Coming next are the indigenous stallions, led by Risaldar Major Intizar Ali, mounted on the horse Rajroop, reflecting confidence, composure and readiness shaped by tradition and training. What you see here is not a spectacle, but capability, reliability shaped by heritage. They represent a living legacy preserved through purpose, sustained through service and strengthened through continuous care. In every coordinated step, you see vigilance, partnership and preparedness, where tradition supports modern readiness. They remain composed and responsive, a very dignified partner that combine heritage with operational relevance. Marching next are camels, both single-humped and double-humped, deployed in specialized terrain roles within the Reliance security framework, supporting security preparedness for the Reliance Green Energy Complex at Kutch. They will strengthen perimeter presence and surveillance across the region's remote, arid and expansive terrain, helping unauthorized movement and ensuring collective security. Leading the hand-led double-humped camel is Mr. Arjun Ram, trained by Mr. Lala Ram. They ensure security, controlled coverage in where conventional mobility can be challenging. Following them are the mounted single-hump camel, led by Mr. Chatur Singh Bhati, retired Border Security Force, and mounted on the camel Erawan. The long, deliberate stride and measured gait reflect exceptional endurance and strength. Adapted for extended operations, camels support mobility and logistic function in remote, arid and difficult environments. Historically relied upon for transport, petrol and supply movement, camel continue to prove their relevance in modern security operations. As they move forward, their calm temperament and resilience reflect patience and stamina. Together, they reinforce layered security preparedness in extreme environments where endurance, reliability and adaptability are essential.
Bringing the formation together is a vehicular support and staff ambulance contingent, ensuring continuity, readiness and on-ground sustainability across all operations. These vehicles meet every mission to be executed safely and efficiently. Together, this fleet reflects RIL's integrated approach to safety and security. It is a commitment that unites people, animals and technology, delivering readiness, protection and responsibility at every level.
And now adding solemn dignity and ceremonial grandeur to the Republic Day celebration is the Bagpiper Band, a powerful symbol of tradition, discipline. Marching with immaculate precision and commanding presence, the Bagpiper Band embodies the finest traditions of ceremonial music. The rhythm, beats of the drum and the haunting melody of the pipes together create an atmosphere of reverence and national pride. Let us acknowledge this magnificent ensemble with a word.
जिम्मेदारी और अनुशासन की गरिमा के साथ सिक्योरिटी ऑफिसर मनीषा उप्रेती के नेतृत्व में सलामी मंच की ओर कदम बढ़ाते हुए इन आरजीएसएस सुरक्षा अधिकारियों का स्वागत करते हैं। इनके ठीक पीछे सूबेदार अजीत कुमार के नेतृत्व में सुरक्षा दल का यह दस्ता परेड ग्राउंड में दिखाई दे रहा है। इसी दस्ते में शामिल है 5 सेवा मेडल विजेता, 7 कारगिल युद्ध के वीर, 3 चीफ ऑफ आर्मी स्टाफ कमेंडेशन प्राप्त जवान, 51 यूनाइटेड नेशन मिशन में देश का परचम लहराने वाले सैनिक। उनके कदमों की ताल हमें बताती है, जो देश की रक्षा में आगे रहे हैं वहीं आज हमारी सुरक्षा की मजबूत ढाल बने हुए हैं।
बाधाएं आती है आए, घिरे प्रलय की घोर घटाए, पांवों के नीचे अंगारे, सिर पर बरसे यदि ज्वालाए, निज हाथों से हंसते हंसते आग लगाकर जलना होगा, कदम मिलाकर चलना होगा।
Next, before the saluting base, is a National Cadet Corps, the Army Wing of KNERFS, a formidable display of our youth's aspirations. This contingent comprises of a progressive and inspiring combination of young boys and girls. Leading from the front with unwavering grit is Sergeant Kasam Upadhyay. Ladies and gentlemen, united in spirit and step, they represent the vanguard of disciplined leadership and national service. As they draw level with the stage, determination, grit on their faces.
इसके ठीक पीछे सिक्योरिटी ऑफिसर या करेराज नेतृत्व में पीडीआरएफ एनसीसी नौसेना गर्ल्स भी।
As the platoon march past the stage, one cannot fail to notice the impressive KNERFS school band, confidently led by its captain, Hemish Parekh. We are proud to share that our school band has secured first position at the district level in Jamnagar Kala Mahakumbh Competition 2025. A remarkable achievement and reflection of dedication, discipline and musical excellence.
सरस्वती का पावन मंदिर, शुभ संपत्ति तुम्हारी है। तुम में से हर बालक इसका रक्षक और पुजारी है। और अब मंच के सामने
के नेतृत्व में KDRFS NCC नेवी विंग बॉयज मन को झकझोर देने वाले संगीत के ताल पर तेजी से आगे बढ़ते हुए शत शत दीप जला ज्ञान के नवयुग का आह्वान करो। उठो धरा के अमर सपूतो, पुनः नया निर्माण करो।
The next platoon is that of Central Industrial Security Force, a sight to behold in their immaculate regimental uniforms. Led by Sub-Inspector Executive Nisham and the first platoon led by Assistant Sub-Inspector Rishi Sambyal. Their flawless timing and erect posture and refined commands reflect the force's core values: integrity, vigilance, and service to nation. Listen to the beat. We welcome the RGSS ceremonial band. They are the pulse of the parade, turning footstep into march and crowd into a nation. And now, here we present how RCCU teams manage large gatherings with precision and care, working in close coordination with the trained canine units to ensure public safety during major events. As you can see, the protesters coming from your right, a high-density environment, and to maintain order and enable events to proceed smoothly, we have the guards with our canine patrol. Their approach grounded in control, communication and prevention, guiding crowd movement safely. The visible presence of RCCU personnel alongside canine units act as an effective deterrent, encouraging discipline and cooperation. And responding to this threat are Mandy and Best. Mandy operating with a sharp intensity, fast, decisive and direct, committing fully to our line of engagement. And there she has neutralized the attacker. Both the dogs maintaining awareness of their surroundings while staying tuned to handle commands. Speed without chaos, power without loss of control.
From freedom fighters, empowered women continue to inspire progress. A nation truly moves forward when men and women work hand in hand. Through classical and folk dances from different states of India, the students of KDRFS will portray the cultural richness of the country and evolving role of women as the torchbearers of tradition and change. We warmly welcome you to invite the artistic presentation by the students of KDRFS. This spectacular show is the result of a month-long journey of dedication by both students and teachers under the able guidance of Principal Ms. Amita Thakur.
What a breathtaking spectacle! A huge round of applause once again for our talent. Carrying that flame of pride forward, our next performance is a soul-stirring ode to our motherland. Reliance Green's ladies will now perform on Jayatu Jayatu Bharatam. Through their dance, they will weave a story of patriotism, of unity, and the profound spiritual heritage that defines India. This piece is more than just a dance. It is a celebration of our collective strength and moral values. Please put your hands together for Yamini Pandya and her incredible team as they perform to honor the spirit of India.
च सावित्री जानकी गार्गी मीरा दुर्गावती तथा लक्ष्मी अहिल्या चन्नम्मा रुद्रमंबा सुविक्रमा निवेदिता शारदा च प्रणम्या मातृदेवता। अब आपके सामने मृणाल जी और दीपा जी की जुम्बा गर्ल्स टीम द्वारा प्रस्तुत होने जा रही है। यह उन महिलाओं की शक्ति, साहस, आत्मविश्वास और का जश्न मनाती है जो गर्व से हमारे राष्ट्र की सेवा करती है। जोरदार करतल ध्वनि से इनका स्वागत करते हैं।
Wonderful ladies, you totally own the show. Coming next in the concluding segment is the contingent of Special Squad of JMD raised on 12 June 20. Vinder Singh Ginsar. The Special Squad is a highly trained elite unit who have been trained by ex-Special Para Forces commandos. Since the past 4 years, they have successfully neutralized various intrusion attempts across the JMD site. Their strength lies in operating silently by conducting missions around the clock, both during the day and night. Capable of military operation across land, sea and air, the Special Squad plays a crucial role in managing security during VVIP event and major event. Today, the Special Squad proudly presents a display of unarmed combat and drill.
चिड़ियों से बाज लड़ाए, गिने दांत सिंह शावक के, लपटों में हंस हंस कर नाचे, हम बेटे हैं भारत के। पकड़ मौत के जबड़े हमने भरवाया उससे पानी, छोड़ा शत्रु कोई नहीं जिसको याद ना आई हो नानी। जोरदार तालियों से इस प्रस्तुति का अभिनंदन करते हैं।
And that was the last segment of today's road show. I remember yesterday after the dress rehearsals, one security officer came and told me that people talk about the Republic Day parade, the RD parade, and from now onwards they will be talking about the RG parade. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for being here. A very special thanks to the RSSC team for cooperation extended and the help rendered. Thank you, everyone. God bless and enjoy your day ahead. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
समापन की बेला में कभी एक थे हम, हुए आज कितने, नहीं तब डरे तो भला अब डरेंगे। विरोधों के सागर में चट्टान है हम, जो टकराएंगे मौत अपनी मरेंगे। लिया हाथ में ध्वज कभी ना झुकेगा, कदम बढ़ रहा है कभी ना रुकेगा। न सूरज के सम्मुख अंधेरा टिकेगा, निडर है सभी हम, अमर है सभी हम। इस सर पर लहराता वरद हस्त करता, गगन में लहरता तिरंगा हमारा, गगन में लहरता तिरंगा हमारा।
But I've also left you feeling enriched and inspired by the spirit of our nation. These celebrations of India, we're pleased to announce that the photography exhibition is now officially open to all residents and guests of our nation. The celebration collection captures the essence of our heritage, our community spirit, through the lens of talented photographers. I invite you to enjoy the exhibition. Thank you once again for joining us. And we wish you all a very, very happy Diwali.
फोटो भी ले जाओ।
All residents are requested to collect